Step number 1, undo the work we did last video. So with the turbo, we have a little bit more torque on this thing. So we're gonna give it a shot with the smaller sprocket. So.
Yeah, also it only revs to around 6,000 RPM stock, so we don't want to over rev it by trying to hit high speeds.
This is true. Alright, well, rotary's all ready to go with the re-gear and the turbo. We're also bringing the Little Rascal because we haven't had another video of that thing, and figure we're going to go out to Daniels Land tomorrow, do a little bit of head-to-head. It's going to be pretty cool. So we're out here with the rotary turbo. We also brought the Little Rascal. We're here at Daniels Land. He's really nice to have us.
Yeah, anytime.
Yeah, for sure. Be sure to check out his YouTube channel at DJ Tuning. He's building like a V8 death car, some racing mower stuff in the works. Yeah, tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, hopefully I'll be building something pretty cool in the future with a lawnmower and a V6. So keep your eyes peeled for that.
Sounds rad, but we're just gonna get right into riding these things. Hopefully we don't blow up the rotary. We did the gearing change, so we're gonna be pushing a little bit more boost with the torque and kind of have a little bit more runway out here. So let's hope it doesn't blow up.
Yeah guys, so I just warmed it up. We just re-geared it and it still has like way more torque than the old version. Like it definitely has improved, like 100%.
Really? Yeah, the no suspension's a little tough on the back, but
All right, so first impressions, like without a doubt this thing makes a ton more power. Y'all could probably hear it having a little bit of wheel spin and stuff, and it just like, it has a little like maybe turbo lag or maybe it's not jetted right, but like once it gets in the power band, it is insane. Like kind of scary because you can't really put your foot on right, or like put your, neither foot really fits, and it's really bumpy, but yeah, this is insane. Yeah guys, this thing drinks fuel. Like there was a little bit left in the bottom and I just drove from the far end of the field here and it's all gone.
Yeah, and it's a little too gnarly out here for the Rascal. It's kind of nice on the roads and stuff, but I think out in the,
yeah, this has suspension in the seat.
Yeah, so
it's,
yeah, I think the Rascal actually could keep up because this thing's making like 20 horsepower. But
I mean, this thing might be pushing the similar, like
it's fast.
It really, like, I don't think I've gotten it to the highest RPM it can go, but like I don't know if it's worth it because I pull it up. Yeah, because it's only rated for 6,000, but no, like honestly, high RPM, this thing makes like really good power. I need to lift up my butt, but my foot still hurts, so I can't like stand on it.
Well, you want to just like launch it on the gravel a couple times?
Yeah.
No?
It like goes to my foot.
Oh.
I can't drive it anymore.
What'd you think?
Dude, that thing is sick. You can really feel the turbo kick on.
Ah, sweet.
Like, you just pull off with the rotary and it's real nice. And then the turbo, you can really feel it kick in.
Sick. Well, that's good to hear, man, because I know you got some experience with boost and stuff. So I'm glad we got...
It's definitely making boost.
Nice.
Should have put a gauge on it and see.
Yeah, right? For sure. Sweet. So we got the DJ Tuning seal of approval then, huh?
Definitely, the thing's awesome.
Nice.
I think it's just start up. This thing is rowdy.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Cool. Anything you want to say in particular?
I shouldn't have worn shorts.
Yeah. Good. Sweet.
Yeah, it was like tiptoeing on like the
Yeah, right.
You did not look comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I kept like getting too close to this stuff.
We were talking about maybe adding some back pegs.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, Joe, where do you think you feel comfortable? Kind of just like...
Right here.
Yeah, that probably
Like right there.
Foot's blocked here by the carb, and on the other side it's right next to the exhaust and the engine block. It's just not ideal.
Yeah, we got a lot going on here.
Yeah. We need to like moved it. That might have worked.
Yeah.
The turbo and everything.
Oh.
Clocked like that. Would have made it hard to make that pipe though.
That's true.
Yeah, let's move the pegs.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah. All right, here goes nothing. Woo! That thing hauls, man.
Alright guys, so with that we'll wrap up this video here. I hope you can tell that it's changed a lot since last time we were out here without the turbo. It's a lot faster, you get into that boost and it just takes off. So thanks to Daniel again for letting us come out here and ride around. Make sure to check out his channel at DJ Tuning. We also wanted to ask you guys about kind of the future of this. We were in between chrome powder coat, like this bike would have been stock, or just leaving it patinaed and clear coating it. So let us know what you think down in the comments. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Thank you Go Power Sports. Pretty much all the non-turbo parts on this build are Go Power Sports. And make sure to subscribe and we'll see you next time.